Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie. David and I love barbecuing. Besides steaks, kebabs, rotisserie chicken, burgers, and so on, here's another favorite of ours. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my blackened grilled fish. This recipe is super easy and full of flavor, plus a little bit on the spicy side. So let's start. In a small saucepan over medium-low heat, we'll add freshly squeezed lemon juice to the melted butter and swirl to combine. Next, we'll brush on the butter mixture onto the fish fillets. Here, I'm using red snapper, but you can use any other firm fish like halibut, cod, catfish, pollock, tilapia, salmon, bass, and so on. We'll now sprinkle on some of my Creole seasoning and spread it out, making sure to cover the entire surface. By the way, to get this incredible homemade blend, click on the top right corner of your screen. When this side is done, we'll flip the fillets and repeat the same steps. Brush on the butter mixture and evenly spread out the Creole seasoning on the fillets. Alright, now we're ready to grill. After preheating the barbecue between 450 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and placing a cast iron griddle or skillet on the grill and heating it up for 10 to 15 minutes, we'll pour on canola oil, spreading out on the griddle. We'll place the fillets, close the lid, and grill for 2 to 3 minutes or until almost black. We'll flip them and brush on the remaining butter mixture on the cooked side. We'll grill 2 to 3 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll serve them immediately. And my friends, this is our blackened grilled fish. This is a tasty outdoor recipe. Very easy and quick to make. Enjoy your favorite fish at your next backyard party or when you go camping. It's the perfect recipe for these occasions. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!